This is the indoor PCB of a mini-split air conditioner. I have set it up, and now we will turn it on by switching it on. As you can see, the unit has powered on and is displaying a temperature of 16 degrees. Its fan motor is also running. If any error occurs, we will show you which error appears on the unit. Now, as you can see, the error code is displayed on the screen, which is error 34. Let me show you. When error 34 appears, it means that the pipe coil sensor is faulty. This sensor is located inside the indoor unit and may have either short-circuited or become open. When this happens, the indoor display will show error 34. The solution to this issue is to replace the pipe coil sensor. Once replaced, the error will be resolved. However, if the issue persists even after changing the sensor, it means there is a problem with the PCB, which will need to be repaired. Here is what the pipe coil sensor looks like. Now let me show you where the pipe coil sensor is connected on the PCB. This white-colored connector is for the pipe coil sensor, and the sensor is plugged into this connector. Now, the unit is turned on, and let's check which other error code appears. I will explain why this error occurs and what it means. As you can see, the motor is running, and once the error code appears, I will show it to you. Now, as you can see, the error code has started appearing on the display, and it is showing error 33. Whenever error 33 appears on the display and the unit stops working, it means that the indoor room temperature sensor is faulty. It may have short-circuited or become open. To fix this issue, replace the indoor room temperature sensor and the error will be resolved, allowing the unit to return to working condition. However, if the problem persists even after replacing the sensor, it indicates a fault in the PCB, which will need to be repaired. Now, let me show you where the room temperature sensor is located on the PCB and what it looks like. This sensor is covered with a black casing. You can also see the red-colored connector, which is the connection point for the room temperature sensor. By replacing this sensor, the error will disappear from the display and the unit will return to working condition. Now I will also tell you the resistance values of these two thermistors. And these thermistors have a strong relationship with temperature. Their resistance value changes due to temperature. So companies recommend that you check them at 25 degrees Celsius to get the correct reading. I will check them at 26.8 degrees Celsius. Now I will connect the multimeter probes to the thermistor. Its resistance value is 4.97 kiloohms, almost showing 5 kiloohms. So at 26 degrees, this will be the thermistor's value. Now this is the room temperature thermistor, which is connected to the circuit board with a red connector. Let's check its resistance value. This one is also 5 kiloohms. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.